Discover how to generate a regular income direct from YouTube without creating any of your own videos. Fortunes have been made using other people's money, and now there's a smart way to make money from other people's videos on YouTube with just 30-minute weekly updates generating monthly payments from YouTube, wired directly to your bank account, starting today. A tiny peek at the amazing insider secrets I'm going to share with you in carefully paced, bite-sized video tutorials, covering everything you need for YouTube success. Access between 5 and 25 million YouTube videos for free, no copyright problems and nothing to pay, ever. Make money on every video, paid direct into your bank account every month, like clockwork. Clever ways to repurpose these videos for your own use. Yes, it's completely legal and entirely within YouTube's TOS, they even provide a built-in video editor. Save countless hours creating your own videos, because you simply don't have to do any of that. Awesome power of the YouTube editing suite, plus the little-known trick to have YouTube make videos for you, using your own still photos. Access thousands of hours of free music, no royalties, no copyright issues, no hassle. The street-wise way to get good keyword ideas. When not to use the free music facility on YouTube, don't miss this, because it will avoid you losing money. Reverse engineering one of my top-ranking videos. Watch over my shoulder as I show you the various reasons why this video is ranked so high, having already received 543,271 views and counting. What's in a title? In a word, everything. So I'll show you the simple, yet highly effective, way to craft the perfect eyeball-grabbing title that also gets you high up in the search results. Get your video on the first page of the searches. All it takes is this 3-second trick. The fatal errors people make with their video descriptions and how you won't make them anymore, once you know the secrets. The ideal number of words for your main keyword phrase plus the perfect place to put them. The vital addition to your description few people even know about, yet it gives an enormous boost to your rankings. Avoid being penalized by YouTube for setting up your keywords and tags incorrectly. Ignore this at your peril. Communicate with your channel subscribers, it's all about correct timing. Smart way to greatly increase your YouTube income. The vital art of creating the right tags. It's very important you get this right, so you boost your rankings and also keep on the right side of YouTube. Increase your views, without resorting to those black hat shenanigans which will, eventually, get you banned. Easily spy on your competitors' videos by reverse engineering them and stealing valuable intel to boost your own rankings. Get YouTube to advertise your site for free. Getting more subscribers, because the more subscribers you have the better you will be ranked. Thumbnail mastery, you get the inside track on creating and controlling this vital viewer magnet. Where do your views come from? All over the world. Features, and how to use your own customized thumbnail. Devices, these hand you an enormous amount of detail you can use to make some crucial adjustments that increase your income. The free website exposing the staggering amounts of money being made by regular folks on YouTube. The crafty, but simple, way to ensure you own the first 4 or 5 hot spots on the right-hand side, dramatically increasing your overall views. Playlists, and how to use them to your full advantage. Audience retention, absolutely vital, because it's the main way YouTube judges how good your video is, and whether it's worth their while promoting it. Engagement, another key metric YouTube uses to decide the worth of your video. Comments and comment settings, and how they keep you in control and increase your reach and engagement. Analytics. Why these should never be ignored, and why it's never too soon to start. Demographics, absolutely vital. Because you need to know who your viewers are, so you can give them what they want. Write amazing descriptions, it doesn't get much easier than this. The biggest fatal mistake you'll ever make with YouTube. Yes, everyone does it, but that won't cut any ice, if you get caught. 17 PDFs to add the final details, covering points best made in writing rather than in the videos. And much, much more. Act now, by clicking the link below.